Let's go, y'all. We is back at it again. All praise to the Most High God for another day of life. It's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talks, TC Fitness. And as y'all can see, I'm in the gym right now. Just like yesterday's video, I'm gonna bring y'all a couple clips of me doing my workout. I already been in here for like 40 minutes, give or take. And then, of course, we're going to talk about the stock market. The stock market has been rallying pre-market. At the time of me making this video, Tesla is currently up 12%. The S&P 500 is up like 2% and some change. You feel me? So it's definitely going to be a good day in the market. Of course, I got to give my shout out. So shout outs to everybody that's been rocking out with me on this YouTube platform. If you are new to my channel and you want to help me grow and expand, all you got to do is subscribe. It's free. Give the video a thumbs up so that we do get on the YouTube algorithm, because y'all already know YouTube is algorithm based. And also make sure y'all leave your comments below. Free Discord chat, free Telegram chat will be pinned in the comment section below. And yeah, of course, shout outs to the SR community, the NoFap community. Y'all already know what month we in, so y'all gotta keep on retaining. We gotta keep on retaining, you feel me? We gotta stay true to ourselves and keep on connecting with the source. Alright, so like I said, if y'all enjoyed the video, just leave a thumbs up, it's free. Subscribe and enjoy the video. That's it. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so the stock market just opened up and I'm gonna show y'all the portfolio right now. I'm also gonna give y'all some solid advice, all right? Because we all have to find a way to make this work for ourselves. You can't allow your negative thoughts and fear to get in the way of your success. You have to learn how to be more honest with yourself, right? I was watching Doyu Exchange yesterday, and his videos are great. I'm not even gonna front to y'all. I was watching one of his old videos, and what he was explaining was basically like, people have to get out of the mentality of poverty. Like I told you in my last video, some of us didn't come from money. Meaning you didn't get any inheritance, or like things wasn't just handed to you. So when it comes down to this journey of investing, when it comes down to this journey of asset ownership, it is mandatory that you take this skill very, very serious. Because number one, we all want to change our lives financially. Gotta be honest, right? Number two, we all have the God-given capability to do it. The only thing that stops you from succeeding on this journey is your financial habits, your psychology, and your belief in yourself. When I tell you that I study the stock market consistently, I do it so that I can realize how important it really is. I do it so that I can change my financial situation and learn how to be a better steward of the money that I make. Now, I don't make a whole bunch of money doing Uber Eats, bro. I'm gonna just be honest and real with y'all. I don't. But I had to learn how to make it work for myself. And it's important for you to build positive habits with money in order for you to become successful in the stock market. Now you gotta realize that, like I tell you all the time, bro, nobody's coming to save you. I said it in my video yesterday. I had to really realize and keep it real with myself that nobody cares about me. When I say nobody, I mean like people out there in the real world. Yes, I have family members. Yes, I have my spouse. I'm forever appreciative of that. And of course, I have the Most High God. But I'm talking about complete strangers, bruh. Because those people are going through their own things. And we have, as people, have to learn how to be, hold ourselves more accountable. When you learn how to care about you, you'll find a way to make your financial situation better. You'll make it work. You'll stop doing certain things. Maybe you may have to stop going out all the time. Maybe you may have to stop eating out all the time. Even my lady be telling me, start cooking more. That's just the truth. Maybe you may have to start reading more books to get the information and then apply it into your life. Because God has a bigger picture for all of us. But you gotta remember that it starts off with your mindset, with the way that you view money. It had nothing to do with nobody else. What beliefs were programmed into you to make you feel like you're not worthy? I have goals of reaching a threshold on YouTube. I have goals of growing this community, finding my way in a financial niche. Right? Because I know that I could do it. I have goals of growing a $100,000 portfolio. Because I know that it's possible. You gotta set goals for yourself and go after them. Because the only person that's going to stop you from reaching that goal is yourself. Just because somebody tells you you can't do something does not mean that that's the truth. That's just their perception and their belief about you. But it doesn't have to be your belief. When I constantly remind y'all, bro, you have to have money working for you. Because your physical body can only do but so much. And it doesn't matter. Like, yes, hard work matters. I'm not going to tell you it doesn't matter. Hard work matters. But the amount of money that you make per day, we only got but so much time per day. Even though time on the clock is man-made. But the amount of money that you make at your job, right? Or the amount of money that I make doing Uber Eats, or if you do Grubhub or DoorDash, whatever. You have to manage it to make it work. Outside of just paying the bills. And yes, we all got to take care of our bills, bro. I don't give a fuck about what nobody say. Yes, you got to take care of that. But you also got to take care of your financial journey. I literally seen Tesla stock go up $30 overnight. And I asked myself, could I only have like 2 shares of Tesla? What if I would have had more shares of Tesla? I see every year what they're programmed to do is to pump fear to the masses. So it's to get you in a certain vibration, in a certain frequency that you're not able to see through. Now, are they raising the wages on these jobs? No. I see what's going on. But we got to find a way to make the income work for us so that we can create the wages that we want for ourselves. Because the jobs don't care about the people. And that's like one of the hardest things to realize, because you think that, oh, I'm going to go into the job and I'm going to have perfect attendance and I'm going to do what I have to do at the job. But they give you enough money to just get by. But that's not enough. You have to find a high income skill, like Do You Exchange was saying, bruh. High income skill. There's no cap on the amount of money that you can make in the stock market or trading Forex. There's no cap. So that's why I tell you I take this journey serious. Because now you're learning how to build your own financial structure. And every day, the money is going to work for you. Gotta find a way. I show y'all the portfolio for a reason. It's to show you that it's possible. It's to show you that you could do it too. I'm no different than you, bruh. I asked God to guide me, to give me the wisdom, the understanding, and to help me protect my energy. And to keep me focused. Because the energy that you put into the stock market is going to bring you a return. But you got to stay tunnel vision, right? The subconscious mind is powerful. It's going to help you out. You just have to have the reps in. You got to put the work in. You got to keep your foot on the gas, bruh. And think about the bigger picture. I hope that there's somebody out there in the world that learn how to take, I hope that you learn how to take this skill serious. Because this is how you're gonna build your financial future. Like I told you in the last video, you have to find a way to save or invest your first 10,000 so that you can build the confidence and then set out those financial goals. 20K, 50K, 100K, 500,000, $1 million. It's possible for all of us, bruh. But it first starts with the belief in yourself. Just because it's not here right now in the physical, that you may not have it right now, doesn't mean it's not possible for you. You gotta put in the work. You have to have faith in yourself. You have to have a strong belief system. My bad, my timing went off. You have to put in the work. You have to have a strong belief system within. You have to stay resilient. And you have to stay true to the journey. You have to embrace and enjoy the journey. I appreciate you if you stayed throughout this whole entire video. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Keep on retaining your essence too, because this is your protective energy. Keep on cultivating and creating within, because this energy is going to help you. Alright? Subscribe to the channel. Let's keep growing, evolving, and elevating. And it's your boy Terrence Carter. TC Talks, TC Fitness. Yes, sir.